Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam. So I was reciting Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Going to continue the same. Before that, let me pray to Srila Gurudev, to the Guru Varga, to the Supreme Personality of Godhead and his near and dear associates. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मिलितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कान्ता राधा कान्ता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी ऋषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये। श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Madhya Leela, chapter 20th. Now I am going to chant from text 178 to 184. सौंदर्य ऐश्वर्य माधुर्य वैदग्ध्य विलास ब्रजेंद्र नंदने यह अधिक उल्लास। गोविंदेर माधुरी देखी वासुदेवेर क्षोभ से माधुरी आस्वादिते उपजय लोभ। उद्गीर्णाद्भुत माधुरी परिमल्यास्याभिर लीलस्य में द्वैतम हंत समीक्ष्यन् मुहुरसौ चितीर्यते चारणः। चेतः केली कुतूहलोत्तर लितं सत्यं सखे मामकं यस्य प्रेक्ष्या स्वरूपतां ब्रजवधू सारूप्यम अन्विच्छति। मथुराए जैचे गंधर्व नृत्य दर्शने पुनः द्वारकाते जैचे चित्र विलोकने। अपरिकलित पूर्वः कश्चमत्कारकारी स्फुरतु मम गरियान एष माधुर्यपुरः। अयम अहमपि हंत प्रेक्ष्ययं लुब्धचेताः सरभसम उपभोक्तुं कामये राधिकेव। सेवपु भिन्नाभासे किछु भिन्नाकार भावावेशाकृति भेदे तद एकात्म नाम तार। तद एकात्म रूपे विलास स्वांश दुई भेद विलास स्वाम शेर भेदे विविध विभेद। Translation: When one compares the beauty, opulence, sweetness and intellectual pastimes of Vasudev, the warrior, to Krishna, the cowherd boy, son of Nanda Maharaj, one sees that Krishna's attributes are more pleasant. Indeed, Vasudev is agitated just to see the sweetness of Govinda, and a transcendental greed awakens in him to enjoy that sweetness. So here is a verse from Lalita Madhava 419 spoken by Vasudeva in Dwarka. My dear friend, this dramatic actor appears like a second form of my own self. Like a picture, he displays my pastimes as a cowherd boy, overflowing with wonderfully attractive sweetness and fragrance, which are so dear to the damsels of Braja. When I see such a display, my heart becomes greatly excited. I long for such pastimes and desire a form exactly that of the damsels of Braja. One instance of Vasudev's attraction to Krishna occurred when Vasudeva saw the Gandharva dance at Mathura. Another instance occurred in Dwarka when Vasudeva was surprised to see a picture of Krishna, who manifests an abundance of sweetness greater than mine, which has never been experienced before and which causes wonder to all. Alas, I myself, My mind, bewildered upon seeing this beauty, impetuously desire to enjoy it like Srimati Radharani. When that body is a little differently manifested and its features are a little different in transcendental emotion and form, it is called Tad Ekatma. In the Tad Ekatma Rupa, there are pastime expansions, Vilasa, and personal expansions, Swamsha. Consequently, there are two divisions. According to pastime and personal expansion, there are various differences. Text 185 to 192. प्राभव वैभव भेदे विलास द्विधाकार विलासेर विलास भेद अनंत प्रकार ब्रजे गोप भाव रामेर पूरे क्षत्रिय भावना प्रभाव विलास वासुदेव संकर्षण प्रद्युम्न अनिरुद्ध मुख्य चारी जन ब्रजे गोप भाव रामेर पूरे क्षत्रिय भावन वर्ण वेश भेद ताते विलास तार नाम वैभव प्रकाशे आर प्रभाव विलासे एकई मूर्ते बलदेव भाव भेदे भासे आदि चतुर्व्यूह इहार क्यों नाई सम अनंत चतुर्व्यूह गणेर प्राकट्य कारण कृष्णेर यही चारी प्राभव विलास द्वारका मथुरा पूरे नित्य इहार वास यही चारी हैते 26 मूर्ति प्रकाश अस्त्र भेद नाम भेद वैभव विलास पुनः कृष्ण चतुर्व्यूह लैया पूर्व रूपे परव्योम मध्य वैसे नारायण रूपे. Translation. Again, the Vilas forms are divided into twofold categories, Prabhav and Vaibhav. Again, the pastimes of these forms are of unlimited variety. The chief quadruple expansions are named Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Anirudh. These are called Prabhav Vilas. Balram, who has the same original form as Krishna, is himself a cowherd boy in Vrindavan. And he also considers himself a member of the Kshatriya race in Dwarka. Thus his color and dress are different, and he is called a pastime form of Krishna. Sri Balram is a Vaibhav Prakash manifestation of Krishna. He is also manifested in the original quadruple expansions of Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Anirudh. These are Prabhav Vilas expansions with different emotions. The first expansion of the Chaturvyuha quadruple forms is unique. There is nothing to compare with them. These quadruple forms are the source of unlimited quadruple forms. These four Prabhav pastime forms of Lord Krishna reside eternally in Dwarka and Mathura. From the original quadruple expansions, 24 forms are manifested. They differ according to the placement of the weapons in their forehands. They are called Vaibhav Vilas. Lord Krishna again expands, and within the Paravyoma, the spiritual sky, he is situated in fullness as the four-handed Narayan, accompanied by expansions of the original quadruple forms. Text 193 to 201. ताहा हैते पुनः चतुर्व्यूह प्रकाश आवरण रूपे चारि दिके जार वास चारि जनेर पुनः पृथक तीन तीन मूर्ति केशवादि जहा हैते विलासेर पूर्ति चक्रादि धारण भेदे नाम भेद सब वासुदेव मूर्ति केशव नारायण माधव संकर्षणेर मूर्ति गोविंद विष्णु मधुसूदन ये अन्य गोविंद नहे ब्रजेंद्र नंदन प्रद्युम्नेर मूर्ति त्रिविक्रम वामन श्रीधर अनिरुद्धेर मूर्ति ऋषिकेश पद्मनाभ दामोदर द्वादश मासेर देवता ये बारजन मार्गशीर्षे केशव पौषे नारायण माघेर देवता माधव गोविंद फाल्गुने चैत्रे विष्णु, वैशाखे श्री मधुसूदन, ज्येष्ठे त्रिविक्रम, आषाढ़े वामन देवेश, श्रावणे श्रीधर, भाद्रे देव ऋषिकेश, आश्विने पद्मनाभ, कार्तिके दामोदर, राधा दामोदर अन्य ब्रजेंद्र कुमार. Translation. Thus, the original quadruple forms again manifest themselves in a second set of quadruple expansions. The residences of these second quadruple expansions cover the four directions. Again, these quadruple forms expand 3 times, beginning with Keshav, that is the fulfillment of the pastime forms. Out of the Chaturvyuha, there are 3 expansions of each and every form, and they are named differently according to the position of the weapons. Sorry. The Vasudeva expansions are Keshav, Narayan, and Madhav. The expansions of Sankarshan are Govind, Vishnu, and Madhusudan. This Govind is different from the original Govind, for he is not the son of Maharaj Nanda. The expansions of Pradyumna are Trivikram, Vaman, and Sridhar. The expansions of Aniruddha are Rishikesh, Padmanabh, and Damodar. These 12 are predominating deities of the 12 months. Keshav is the predominating deity of Agrahayana, and Narayan is the predominating deity of Pausha. The predominating deity of the month of Magh is Madhav, and the predominating deity of the month of Falgun is Govind. Vishnu is the predominating deity of Chaitra, and Madhusudan is the predominating deity of Vaishakh. In the month of Jyeshtha, the predominating deity is Trivikram. In Ashadha, the deity is Vaman. In Shravan, the deity is Sridhar. And in Bhadra, the deity is Rishikesh. In the month of Ashwin, the predominating deity is Padmanabh, and in Kartik, it is Damodar. This Damodar is different from Radha Damodar, the son of Nanda Maharaj in Vrindavan. Text 202 to 209. द्वादश तिलक मंत्र ए द्वादश नाम आचमने जय नामे स्पर्शी तत्त स्थान ए चारी जनेर विलास मूर्ति आर अष्ट लैया ता सबार नाम कही सुन सनातन पुरुषोत्तम अच्युत नरसिंह जनार्दन हरि कृष्ण अधोक्षज उपेंद्र अष्टजन वासुदेवर विलास दुई अधोक्षज पुरुषोत्तम संकर्षणेर विलास उपेंद्र अच्युत दुई जन प्रद्युम्नेर विलास नरसिंह जनार्दन अनिरुद्धेर विलास हरि कृष्ण दुई जन ए 26 मूर्ति प्राभव विलास प्रधान अस्त्र धारण भेदे धरे भिन्न भिन्न नाम इहार मध्य जाहार है आकार वेश भेद से है विलास वैभव विभेद पद्मनाभ त्रिविक्रम नरसिंह वामन हरि कृष्ण आदि है आकार विलक्षण. Translation. When putting the 12 tilak marks on the 12 places of the body, one has to chant the mantra consisting of these 12 Vishnu names. After daily worship, when one anoints the different parts of the body with water, these names should be chanted as one touches each part of the body. From Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha, there are 8 additional pastime expansions. O Sanatan, please hear me as I mention their names. The 8 pastime expansions are Purushottam, Achyuta, Narasimha, Janardhan, Hari, Krishna, Adhokshaja and Upendra. Of these 8 expansions, 2 are pastimes forms of Vasudev. Their names are Adhokshaja and Purushottam. The 2 pastime forms of Sankarshan are Upendra and Achyuta. The pastime forms of Pradyumna are Narasimha and Janardhan, and the pastime forms of Aniruddha are Hari and Krishna. All these 24 forms constitute the chief Prabha Vilas pastime forms of the Lord. They are named differently according to the position of the weapons in their hands. Of all these, the forms that differ in dress and features are distinguished as Vaibhav Vilas. Of them, Padmanabh, Trivikram, Narsimha, Vaman, Hari, Krishna, and so on all have different bodily features. Text 210 to 217. कृष्णेर प्राभव विलास वासुदेवादि चारि जन से चारि जनार विलास विंशति गणन यहाँ सबार पृथक वैकुंठ परव्योम धामे पूर्वादि अष्टदिके तीन तीन क्रमे यद्यपि परव्योम सभाकार नित्य धाम तथापि ब्रह्मांडे कारो कहो सन्निधान परव्योम मध्ये नारायणेर नित्य स्थिति परव्योम उपरि कृष्ण लोकेर विभूति एक कृष्ण लोक है त्रिविध प्रकार गोकुलाख्य मथुराख्य द्वारकाख्य आर मथुरा ते केशवेर नित्य सन्निधान नीलाचले पुरुषोत्तम जगन्नाथ नाथ प्रयागे माधव मंदारे श्री मधुसूदन आनंद अरण्य वासुदेव पद्मनाभ जनार्दन विष्णु कांचित विष्णु हरि रहे मायापुरे ऐचे आर नाना मूर्ति ब्रह्मांड भीतरे. Translation. Vasudev and the three others are direct Prabhav pastime forms of Lord Krishna. Of these quadruple forms, the pastime expansions are 20 in number. All these forms preside over different Vaikuntha planets in the spiritual world, beginning from the east in consecutive order. In each of the 8 directions, there are 3 different forms. Although they all have their residences eternally in the spiritual sky, some of them are situated within the material universes. There is an eternal residence of Narayan in the spiritual sky. In the upper portion of the spiritual sky is a planet known as Krishnalok, which is filled with all opulences. The planet of Krishnalok is divided into 3 sections: Gokul, Mathura and Dwarka. Lord Keshav eternally resides at Mathura and Lord Purushottam, known by the name Jagannath, eternally resides at Nilachal. At Prayag, the Lord is situated as Bindu Madhav, and at Mandar Parvat, the Lord is known as Madhusudan. Vasudev, Padmanabh and Janardhan reside at Ananda Aranya. At Vishnu Kanchi, there is Lord Vishnu, at Mayapur, Lord Hari, and throughout the universe a variety of other forms. Text 218 to 223. एमत ब्रह्मांड मध्य सवार प्रकाश सप्तद्वीपे नवखंडे जहार विलास सर्वत्र प्रकाश तार भक्ते सुख दीते जगतेर अधर्म नाशी धर्म स्थापिते. यहाँ मध्य कारो है अवतारे गणन जैसे विष्णु त्रिविक्रम नरसिंह वामन अस्त्र धृति भेद नाम भेदेर कारण चक्रादि धारण भेद शून सनातन दक्षिणादो हस्तैते वामनध पर्यंत चक्रादि अस्त्र धारण गणनार अंत सिद्धार्थ संहिता करे 26 मूर्ति गणन तार मते कही आगे चक्रादि धारण. Translation. Within the universe, the Lord is situated in different spiritual manifestations. These are situated on 7 islands in 9 sections. Thus, their pastimes are going on. The Lord is situated in all the universes in different forms just to please His devotees. Thus, the Lord destroys irreligious principles and establishes religious principles. Of these forms, some are considered incarnations. Examples are Lord Vishnu, Lord Trivikram, Lord Narsimha and Lord Vaman. My dear Sanatan, just hear from me as I tell you how the different Vishnu Murtis hold their weapons beginning with the disc and how they are named differently according to the placement of the weapons in their hand. The procedure for counting begins with the lower right hand and goes to the upper right hand, the upper left hand and the lower left hand. Lord Vishnu is named according to the order of the weapons he holds in his hands. According to the Siddhartha Samhita, there are 24 forms of Lord Vishnu. First, I shall describe, according to the opinion of that book, the location of the weapons, beginning with the disc. Text 224 to 232. Vasudev Gada Shankha Chakra Padmadhar, Sankarshan Gada Shankha Padma Chakradhar, प्रद्युम्न चक्र शंख गदा पद्मधर, अनिरुद्ध चक्र गदा शंख पद्म कर, परव्यों में वासुदेवादि निज निज अस्त्रधर, तार मत कही जे सब अस्त्र कर, श्री केशव पद्म शंख चक्र गदाधर, नारायण शंख पद्म गदा चक्र कर, श्री माधव गदा चक्र शंख पद्म कर, श्री गोविंद चक्र गदा पद्म शंख धर, विष्णु मूर्ति गदा पद्म शंख चक्र कर, मधुसूदन चक्र शंख पद्म गदाधर, त्रिविक्रम पद्म गदा चक्र शंख कर, श्री वामन शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधर, श्रीधर पद्म चक्र गदा शंख कर, ऋषिकेश गदा चक्र पद्म शंखधर, पद्मनाभ शंख पद्म चक्र गदा कर, दामोदर पद्म चक्र गदा शंखधर. Translation. In his lower right hand, Lord Vasudeva holds a club, in the upper right hand a conch shell, in the upper left hand a disc, in the lower left hand a lotus flower. In his lower right hand, Sankarshan holds a club, in his upper right hand a conch shell, in his upper left hand a lotus flower, and in his lower left hand a disc. Pradyumna holds the disc, conch, club and lotus. Aniruddha holds the disc, club, conch and lotus. Thus, in the spiritual sky, the expansions headed by Vasudeva hold weapons in their own respective order. I am repeating the opinion of the Siddhartha Samhita in describing them. Lord Keshav holds the lotus, conch, disc and club. Lord Narayan holds the conch, lotus, club and disc. Lord Madhav holds the club, disc, conch and lotus. Lord Govind holds the disc, club, lotus and conch. Lord Vishnu holds the club, lotus, conch and disc. Lord Madhusudan holds the disc, conch, lotus and club. Lord Trivikram holds the lotus, club, disc and conch. Lord Vaman holds the conch, disc, club and lotus. Lord Sridhar holds the lotus, disc, club and conch. Lord Rishikesh holds the club, disc, lotus and conch. Lord Padmanabh holds the conch, lotus, disc and club. Lord Damodar holds the lotus, disc, club and conch. Text 233 to 241. Purushottama Chakra Padma Shankha Gadadhar, Sri Achyuta Gada Padma Chakra Shankadhar, Sri Narsimha Chakra Padma Gada Shankadhar, Janardhan Padma Chakra Shankha Gadakar, Sri Hari Shankha Chakra Padma Gadakar, Sri Krishna Shankha Gada Padma Chakrakar, Adhokshaja Padma Gada Shankha Chakrakar, Upendra Shankha Gada Chakra Padmakar, Hayashirsha Pancharatre Kahe Shol Jan, Tar Mate Kahi Ebe Chakradi Dharan, Keshava Bhede Padma Shankra Gada Chakradhar, माधव भेदे चक्र गदा शंख पद्मकर, नारायण भेदे नाना अस्त्र भेद धर, इत्यादि का भेद जय सब अस्त्र कर, स्वयं भगवान आर लीला पुरुषोत्तम यही दुई नाम धरे ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, पूरीर आवरण रूपे पूरीर नव देशे, नवव्यूह रूपे नवमूर्ति प्रकाशे. Translation. Lord Purushottam holds the disc, lotus, conch and club. Lord Achyuta holds the club, lotus, disc and conch. Lord Narsimha holds the disc, lotus, club and conch. Lord Janardhan holds the lotus, disc, conch and club. Sri Hari holds the conch, disc, lotus and club. Lord Sri Krishna holds the conch, club, lotus and disc. Lord Adhokshaja holds the lotus, club, conch and disc. Lord Upendra holds the conch, club, disc and lotus. According to the Hayashirsha Pancharatra, there are 16 personalities. I shall now describe that opinion of how they hold the weapons. Keshav is described differently as holding the lotus, conch, club and disc, and Madhav is described as holding the disc, club, conch and lotus in his hands. According to the Hayashirsha Pancharatra, Narayana and others are also presented differently as holding the weapons in different hands. Krishna, the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, indicated as the son of Maharaj Nanda, has two names. One is Swayam Bhagwan and the other is Leela Purushottam. Lord Krishna personally surrounds Dwarkapuri as its protector in different parts of the city in 9 places. He expands in 9 different forms. Text 242 to 246. Chatvaro Vasudevadya Narayana Narsimha Kau Hayagrivo Mahakrodho Brahma Cheti Navoditaha Prakash Vilasir Kailum Vivaran Swamshir Bheda Ebe Sun Sanatan Sankarshan Matsyadika Dui Bhedatar Sankarshana Purushaavatar Leela Avatar Ar अवतार है कृष्णेर शतविध प्रकार पुरुष अवतार एक लीला अवतार आर गुण अवतार आर मनवंतर अवतार युग अवतार आर शक्त आवेश अवतार. Text. The 9 personalities mentioned are Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, Aniruddha, Narayana, Narsimha, Hayagriva, Varaha and Brahma. I have already described the pastime and Prakash forms. Now please hear about the different personal expansions. The first personal expansion is Sankarshan and the others are incarnations like the fish incarnation. Sankarshan is an expansion of the Purusha or Vishnu. The incarnations such as Matsya, the fish incarnation, appear in different yugas for specific pastimes. There are 6 types of incarnations of Krishna. One includes the incarnations of Vishnu, Purusha avatars, and another includes the incarnations meant for the performance of pastimes, Leela avatar. There are incarnations that control the material qualities, Guna avatars, incarnations who appear during the reign of each Manu, Manvantara avatars, incarnations in different millenniums, Yuga avatars, and incarnations of empowered living entities, Shaktya Avesh avatar. Text 247 to 252. बाल्य पौगंड है विग्रहेर धर्म एत रूपे लीला करे न ब्रजेंद्र नंदन अनंत अवतार कृष्णेर नाहिक गणन शाखा चंद्र न्याय करी दिग्दर्शन अवतार ही असंख्येया हरे सत्व निधेर द्विजाः यथा अविदासीनः कुल्याः सरस स्यु सहस्रासः. प्रथमे करे कृष्ण पुरुष अवतार सहित पुरुष है त्रिविध प्रकार विष्णुस्तु त्रीणि रूपाणि पुरुषाख्यानि अथो विदुः एकम तु महत स्राष्ट्र द्वितीयं तु अंड संस्थिताम तृतीयं सर्वभूतस्थं तानि ज्ञात्वा विमुच्यते. अनंत शक्ति मध्य कृष्णेर 3 शक्ति प्रधान इच्छा शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति नाम. Translation. Childhood and boyhood are the typical ages of the deity Krishna, the son of Maharaj Nanda, performed his pastimes as a child and as a boy. There are innumerable incarnations of Krishna and there is no possibility of counting them. We can simply indicate them by giving the example of the moon and the branches of a tree. O learned Brahmins, just as hundreds and thousands of small rivulets issue from great reservoirs of water, innumerable incarnations flow from Sri Hari, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and the reservoir of all power. In the beginning, Krishna incarnates himself as the Purusha avatars or Vishnu incarnations. These are of three types. Vishnu has three forms called Purushas. The first, Mahavishnu, is the creator of the total material energy. The second is Garbhodakashayi, who is situated within each universe, and the third is Kshirodakashayi, who lives in the heart of every living entity. He who knows these three becomes liberated from the clutches of Maya. Krishna has unlimited potencies, out of which three are chief: willpower, the power of knowledge, and the creative energy. Text 253 to 260. इच्छा शक्ति प्रधान कृष्ण इच्छाए सर्वकर्ता, ज्ञान शक्ति प्रधान वासुदेव अधिष्ठाता। इच्छा ज्ञान क्रिया बिना ना है सृजन, तीनेर तीन शक्ति मेली प्रपंच रचन। क्रिया शक्ति प्रधान संकर्षण बलराम, प्राकृताप प्राकृत सृष्टि करेन निर्माण। अहंकारेर अधिष्ठाता कृष्णेर इच्छाए, गोलोक वैकुंठ सृजे चित शक्ति द्वारा। यद्यपि असृज्य नित्य चित शक्ति विलास, तथापि संकर्षण इच्छाए ताहार प्रकाश। सहस्रपत्रम कमलम गोकुलाख्यम महत्पदम, तत्कार्णिकारम तद्धाम तद अनंतांश संभवम। माया द्वारे सृजे तेहो ब्रह्मांडेर गण, जड़ रूप प्रकृति नहे ब्रह्मांड कारण। जड़ हईते सृष्टि नहे ईश्वर शक्ति बिने, ताहा ते ही संकर्षण करे शक्ति राधाने। The predominator of the willing potential is Lord Krishna, for by his supreme will everything comes into existence. In willing there is a need for knowledge, and the knowledge is expressed through Vasudeva. There is no possibility of creation without thinking, feeling, willing, knowledge and activity. The combination of the supreme will, knowledge and action brings about the cosmic manifestation. Lord Sankarshan is Lord Balram, being the predominator of the creative energy. He creates both the material and the spiritual world. That original Sankarshan, Lord Balram, is the cause of both the material and the spiritual creation. He is the predominating deity of egotism, and by the will of Krishna and the power of the spiritual energy, he creates the spiritual world, which consists of the planet Golok Vrindavan and the Vaikuntha planets. Although there is no question of creation as far as the spiritual world is concerned, the spiritual world is nonetheless manifested by the supreme will of Sankarshan. The spiritual world is the abode of the pastimes of the eternal spiritual energy. Gokul, the supreme abode and planet, appears like a lotus flower that has 1,000 petals. The whole of that lotus is the abode of the Supreme Lord Krishna. This lotus-shaped supreme abode is created by the will of Lord Ananta. By the agency of material energy, the same Lord Sankarshan creates all the universes. The dull material energy known in modern language as nature is not the cause of the material universe. Without the Supreme Personality of Godhead's energy, dull matter cannot create the cosmic manifestation. Its power does not arise from the material energy itself, but is endowed by Sankarshan. Text 261 to 268. ईश्वरेर शक्ति सृष्टि करे प्रकृति, लौह जेन अग्नि शक्ति पाए दाह शक्ति। एतौ हि विश्वस्य च बीज योनि, रामो मुकुंदः पुरुष प्रधानम, अन्वीय भूतेषु विलक्षणस्य ज्ञानस्य चेशाता इमौ पुराणौ। सृष्टि हेतु जयी मूर्ति प्रपंचे अवतरे, से ईश्वर मूर्ति अवतार नाम धरे। मायातीत परव्योमे सबार अवस्थान, विश्वे अवतरी धरे अवतार नाम। से माया अवलोकिते श्री संकर्षण, पुरुष रूपे अवतीर्ण हैला प्रथम। जग्रहे पौरुषम रूपम भगवान महद आदिभिः संभूतम षोडश कलम आदौ लोक शिश्रक्षया आद्यो अवतारः पुरुष परस्य कालः स्वभावः सद असन मनश्च द्रव्यम विकारो गुण इंद्रियाणि विराट स्वराट स्थाष्णु चरिष्णु भूम्नः से पुरुष विराजिते करेन शयन विराजाते कारणाब्धिशायी नाम जगत कारण. Translation: dull matter alone cannot create anything. The material energy produces the creation by the power of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Iron itself has no power to burn, but when iron is placed in fire, it is empowered to burn. Balram and Krishna are the original, efficient and material causes of the material world. As Mahavishnu and the material energy, they enter into the material elements and create the diversities by multi-energies, thus they are the cause of all causes. The form of the Lord that descends into the material world to create is called an avatar or incarnation. All the expansions of Lord Krishna are actually residents of the supreme spiritual world, but when they descend into the material world, they are called incarnations, avatars. To glance over that material energy and empower her, Lord Sankarshan first incarnates as Lord Mahavishnu. In the beginning of the creation, the Lord expanded himself in the form of the Purusha incarnation, accompanied by all the ingredients of material creation. First, he created the 16 principal energies suitable for creation. This was for the purpose of manifesting the material universes. Karanabdhishayi Vishnu, Mahavishnu, is the first incarnation of the Supreme Lord, and he is the master of eternal time, space, cause and effects. The mind, the elements, the material ego, the modes of nature, the senses, the universal form of the Lord, Garbhodakashayi Vishnu, and the sum total of the living beings, both moving and non-moving. That original personality of Godhead named Sankarshan first lies down in the river Viraja, which serves as a border between the material and the spiritual world. As Karanabdhishayi Vishnu, he is the original cause of the material creation. Text 269 to 273. Karanabdhi pare pare mayar nitya avastiti virajar pare paravyome nahi gati. प्रवर्तते यत्र रजस्तमस्तयोः सत्वं च मिश्रं न च कालविक्रमः न यत्र माया किम उतापरे हरेर अनुव्रता यत्र सुरासुरार्चिताः. मायार यही दुई वृत्ति माया आर प्रधान, माया निमित्त हेतु विश्वेर उपादान प्रधान. से पुरुष माया पाने करे अवधान, प्रकृति क्षोभित करी करे वीर्येर आधान. स्वांग विशेषाभास स्वरूपे प्रकृति स्पर्शन जीव रूप बीज ताते कैला समर्पण. Translation: The Viraja or casual ocean is the border between the spiritual and the material world. The material energy is situated on one shore of that ocean and it cannot enter onto the other shore, which is the spiritual sky. In the spiritual world, there is neither the mode of passion, the mode of ignorance, nor a mixture of both, nor is there adulterated goodness, the influence of time or Maya herself. Only the pure devotees of the Lord, who are worshipped both by gods and goddesses and by the demons, reside in the spiritual world as the Lord's associates. Maya has two functions. One is called Maya and the other is called Pradhan. Maya refers to the efficient cause and Pradhan refers to the ingredients that create the cosmic manifestation. When the Supreme Personality of Godhead glances over the material energy, she becomes agitated. At that time, the Lord injects the original semen of the living entities to impregnate with the seeds of the living entities. The Lord Himself does not directly touch the material energy, but by His specific functional expansion, He touches the material energy, and thus the living entities, who are His parts and parcels, are impregnated into material nature. Text 274 to 278. Daivat kshubhita dharmiyanyam स्वस्याम योनौ परह पुमान आधत्त वीर्यम शाश्वत महत्तत्वम हिरण्मयम कालवृत्त्या तु मायायाम गुणमायाम अधोक्षजः पुरुषेनात्म भूतेन वीर्यम आधत्त वीर्यवान तबे महत्तत्व हिते त्रिविध अहंकार जहाँ हिते देवतेन्द्रिय भूतेर प्रचार सर्वतत्व मिली सृजिल ब्रह्मांडेर गण अनंत ब्रह्मांड तार नाहिक गणन इहो महत सृष्टा पुरुष महाविष्णु नाम अनंत ब्रह्मांड तार लोमकूपे धाम. Translation. At a time beyond memory, after agitating the material nature into three qualities, the Supreme Personality of Godhead placed the semen of innumerable living entities within the womb of that material nature. Thus, material nature gave birth to the total material energy known as the Hiranmaya Mahattattva, the original symbolic representation of the cosmic manifestation. In due course of time, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Mahavaikuntanath, by the agency of a further expansion of his personal self, Mahavishnu, placed the seed of the living entities within the womb of material nature. First, the total material energy is manifested, and from this arise the three types of egotism, which are the original sources from which all the gods and goddesses, controlling deities, senses and material elements expand. Combining all the different elements, the Supreme Lord created all the universes. Those universes are unlimited in number. There is no possibility of counting them. The first form of Lord Vishnu is called Mahavishnu. He is the original creator of the total material energy. The innumerable universes emanate from the pores of his body. Text 279 to 287. Gavakshe udiya jaiche renu ashe jaye पुरुष निश्वास ब्रह्मांड बाहिराय पुनरपि निश्वास सह जाय अभ्यंतर अनंत ऐश्वर्य तार सब माया पार यसैक निश्वासित कालम अथावलंब्या जीवंति लोम विलजा जगदंडनाथा विष्णुर्महांस इह यस्य काल विशेषो गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तम अहम भजामि. समस्त ब्रह्मांड गणेर इहो अंतर्यामी कारणाब्धिशायी सब जगतेर स्वामी अहित कहिलो प्रथम पुरुषेर तत्व द्वितीय पुरुषेर एबे सुनह